one.
Hey, what's up? It's BS in the morning. Brittney Sparks. This is Dean. He's going to be our pilot today for Skyline Helicopter Tours. Dean, how long have you been flying?
2 days.
Dean, I'm not talking about the helicopters in the mall.
Oh, about 11 years.
Okay, thank you, God. Are you nervous at all?
I am a little nervous. I'm going to look at the book before we start it.
Brittney, are you nervous?
I am now.
What's going to happen today? What are we doing?
We're going to take off. We're going to head out west. We're going to go to Red Rock Canyon, and then we're going to go through the city. We're going to check out the lake, valleys, all of them, everything.
So Sparks and I are new to town, so it is your responsibility to teach us Vegas. Do you accept this challenge?
I do.
So this is a good way for anybody, whether you're a resident or a tourist, to see the city, right?
That's the best way to see the city.
Case in point.
That's right, especially if you're a pervert like I am. We're seeing some things today.
Hey, what was that?
I want to see the cockpit.
Oh, wait, before we go, Dean has been fitted with this sweet Dean cam up here.
Right.
That's right. Here, let's get a pic. Hey, Dean cam. All right, that's the Dean cam. So we're going to see what he's looking at sitting up there in the pilot seat. Sweet. Hey, look, we're about to take off here in a sec. This is a helicopter. Little known fact, this is actually the helicopter they used to hang that guy in Scarface. Remember they flew over and the dude, they hung him from the same helicopter. What's going on? BS in the morning. Returning from our Virgin voyage, or is it maiden voyage?
Maiden.
Good.
I like Virgin.
That's right. We just landed. We just had an awesome Skyline Helicopter Tour from the man, the myth, the legend himself, Dean. How did it go, Dean?
It went awesome. It's a great way to see Vegas. Red Rocks, killer.
Oh, Red Rocks was amazing. Red Rocks was awesome. What was your favorite part of the trip?
Hey, I like it all.
Really?
I do.
Was it me just rubbing your back the whole time?
No, it was actually Turtle Head Mountain that really excited me.
Ah, Turtle Head. I was poking my own turtle head.
Or perhaps my hair blowing around like Tommy Two Tane.
It's Tammy Katane. All right.
Whatever.
Make sure you go and like them on Facebook.
That's right.
That's it.
Like us.
It's right there. Skyline Helicopter Tours. And where else can we find out about you?
You can find out about us on Twitter, Skype. We're on everything.
They're everywhere. And they're hovering above your house right now. You should go look.
We are. We're hovering above there.